In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to track deals in TeamGate CRM, a tool that aims to streamline your sales pipeline. Whether you're a small business or part of a larger team, tracking your deals efficiently is crucial, and I'll show you the key features that make this process smoother in TeamGate. Stick around till the end because we'll also discuss some alternatives that might work better for your needs. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll notice when you log into TeamGate is the clean and intuitive dashboard. It's designed to give you an overview of your deals at a glance, so you don't waste time hunting down information. Your deals are clearly categorized by stage in the sales pipeline, from lead to close deal, giving you a clear picture of where everything stands. Next, TeamGate allows you to create custom pipelines, so you can tailor the tracking process to fit your unique sales process. This is especially useful if your team has specific stages or terms they use in the sales cycle. The flexibility here is great for adapting to your needs, but it's important to note that this requires a bit of setup initially. The third thing is the deal card feature. Every deal in TeamGate is represented by a card that holds all the relevant information about the deal, including the client's details, the value of the deal, and the expected closing date. It's a very visual and easy to understand way to keep track of your sales progress, but the user interface might take some getting used to, especially if you're coming from simpler CRMs. Next up, you can automate task reminders for each deal. This helps you stay on top of deadlines and follow-ups without needing to manually check in on each one. Automation is one of the more powerful features in TeamGate, but depending on your business, it might take some time to adjust the automations to work as effectively as you'd like. Now, TeamGate integrates with other tools like email and calendar, making it easier to track deals while you manage other communication channels. This keeps everything connected and organized, but some users have reported issues with syncing in real time, so make sure to double-check that all your integrations are working properly. One area where TeamGate could improve is in the reporting and analytics section. While it offers basic insights into your deals, you might find that it lacks depth compared to other CRMs. If you're really into data-driven decision-making, you may want a more advanced reporting tool that offers granular insights into your deal pipeline. The fifth thing you'll appreciate is the mobile app. It's handy for keeping track of deals on the go, especially if you're in and out of meetings or traveling often. However, some users find the mobile experience a bit clunky, so keep that in mind if you rely on mobile access. Finally, let's talk about the value for money. TeamGate is affordable compared to some of its competitors, but the features it offers might feel limited in some areas, especially when it comes to advanced analytics and automation. For businesses that need deeper integrations or more customization, TeamGate might fall a little short. Now, before you decide if TeamGate is the right CRM for you, I want to mention that we've partnered with a software that may be a better fit for tracking deals and offers more robust features. If you're looking for a CRM that provides deeper analytics, more customization, and better integration capabilities, make sure to check the link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial to this software, as well as some great alternatives that might be better for your goals. By using our link, you'll also get access to some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Make sure to check it out and see if one of these alternatives is a better fit for your needs.